Hello. Today we will review Healthsmart Essential Oil Diffuser, Cool Mist Humidifier and Aromatherapy Diffuser. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Let's talk about features that makes this best seller. Oil diffuser will automatically and safety shut off once the water runs out so the unit doesn't overheat. The 500 ml tank is large enough to use in any size room, and the tank is easy to clean and maintain so the unit lasts for years. Diffuser for essential oils features a smart touch panel to easily control the lighting, high or low mist mode, and a 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours timer that will keep misting until the water runs out. Colorful mood light has the ability to cycle through 7 different colors or stay on one. It is great for creating a calm, uplifting atmosphere during meditation or to use as a nightlight. It can be used as a humidifier or as a room air freshener. Aromatherapy Diffuser compact design is sleek and modern. The beautiful and modern wood grain base complements any room. It is the perfect apartment essential, dorm essential, or new home essential to bring peace and tranquility anywhere. Diffuser product specs. The scent diffuser comes with an AC adapter, located inside the tank, 6 feet power cord, and a user manual. Essential oils sold separately. Feature-wise rating given by buyers. Rated 3.8 for scent. Rated 3.8 for giftable. Rated 3.9 for longevity. Rated 4.0 for easy to use. Rated 4.1 for timer function. Rated 4.0 for value for money. 4,505 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.4 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We carefully analyzed hundreds of reviews from buyers and considered few of important reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For full review, please check the link in description. $4,505 satisfied buyers. Top selling product in market. Overall 4.4 star rated. 85% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.